So as you can see, this pile has gotten bigger. I didn't do this. Property owner, he has done this. I see lots of little things that I need to get into. So we're just gonna grab our buckets real quick and see what we can do with it. Is that a battery? I think I see a battery. Is that a battery? That's a, yep, that's a battery. So we've got a battery. There's an ammo can. There's some wire. Oh, poor ammo can's all rusted up. That's a fan motor. There's a drill. So we're gonna get what we can up real quick. Uh-huh. What's this? That's cast. And there's an alternator. I wish I could share with you the smell that this particular stuff has had. I mean, it just had its own aroma since I first came out here. I just wish I could share it with you. Let's see what's what. That's copper. There's copper tubing right here. Yep. So I've got some plumbing stuff at the house. I think I hear my cat buddy. I do hear my cat. Well, it's not actually my cat. It kind of resides here. But I hear it. Let's just kind of make us a quick pile. Some of this right here is aluminum. So that's loose aluminum. Kitty! You still mad? One of the last times I was out here and me and this cat interacted, the cat got up under my feet and I tripped up over the cat and tumbled. One of those famous tags. We've got some work to do. So, aluminum. I know, kitty. I know. I haven't been over here to visit with you. That's probably... There's brass valve. Well, this, I need to get that in a bucket one day. Hey, kitty, I know. Well, this is why I always carry multiple buckets. You never know what you're gonna have. So we're gonna put some of that out later. There's some more. Forgive my cat noises. I'm not a big cat person, but they're alright. Now if they slap me, I don't care anything about them. You just want some love. Just don't give me any kind of ringworm, we'll be alright. Cat, you're gonna get tangled up on me and we're gonna go dancing again and it's not gonna be good. I would love to get this. I'm gonna have to. I think there's a transformer in there. Cat, I'll love on you, but I don't need you in my ear. I don't know how good the sound is on this camera, but y'all may have heard her. she was kind of, ooh. Let me just move this. Okay. Okay. So I got a lot of work to do when I get back. I better bring my magnets. If I haven't told you that, you always need magnets. I have a couple of large magnets. Let's see. This, I'm not quite sure. It's some computer component. That's what it looks like. I know some of this is aluminum because I took it off myself. Part of a motorcycle, I think. Cat. That's aluminum. I just don't have patience or the time to deal with it like that. Cat, I'm glad I don't own a dog right now. I'd be going home and that thing would be going nuts. That's part of a door lock. See, there's a keyhole. No, it looked like a keyhole. Ow. That hurt. There's aluminum. I think that's copper. Ooh. There's a little motor. I don't know what that is, but that's interesting. I think that's a solenoid. That's a solenoid. That's not a motor. I'll carry it and say about it. No wire. Where'd the wire go? Oh, there's the wire. Sometimes you'll have to bear with me. That's all metal. Hey, that's brass. Not pretty, but it's brass. That's a big motor. I'm going to cut that off. I'm not going to do that. There's wire right in front of me. Bet y'all been seeing that for a few minutes and go, man, look at it. It's right there in front of you. There's a lot of stuff in here, so y'all just kind of bear with me. And I only have 4 buckets this round. I wish I could just come fill it all up at one time, but I'm not quite that sophisticated on this system. No, I got a cat living in. That's cast. I'll cut that off because that will turn this from 40 cents to 8. So. These things have been quite interesting. I think I've had nearly 100 pounds of these in this location. And what they are, I may have said this in other videos, these are tags that they would inscribe different things on. Inspection due May 16th, 2016. So this was something from where this guy worked. They were inspection tags. And they would either tell when inspection was done or when the next inspection was. So, and some of them say other things like they'll have some initials on it, like who did what, and sometimes it'll be like a couple of initials. Oh, what is that? That right there was a thingamajig. Oh, this came off of a mower. This is a cast piece. This is, okay, that came off of a mower. That's an all the motor itself. Let's cut that off. I try to get, most of the time, try to get mostly steel out of this. This particular location has been really good to me. Valuable materials, for instance, aluminum, copper, brass, wire, and stainless steel. I'll just stick it in there for now. I talked to the property owner the other day, telling him I wasn't coming. I said, alright, I understand, but remember, you got stuff down here that you get up. I said, yes, sir. That was his nice way of saying, get back to work as soon as you could, so. And I can't blame him. It's his property, and he's trying to get it all cleaned up, and I'm sort of slowing him down on that in that regard. But we'll see how this all works out. And I bet my hands are going to smell awful. Not as bad as I thought. Oh. That's alright, I'll get that another day. I think this is considered old sheet aluminum. This will probably put me at 100 pounds if I haven't had 100 pounds of this material already. Just these tacks. Okay, now I just chunked that little piece. There it is. That's kind of cool. Little baby nut driver. Almost looks like it'd be a board game piece. Got that. Hey, that came off. Let's go there. That's wiring too, I believe. Yeah. Fuel pump, maybe? And the reason I say it's got wires going in, got brass on either side. This was I think this is a pump. I could be wrong. If you know, tell me. Leave me a message in the comments. I'll get back to you. I'm probably even thank you.